इसका मतलब है आयो के पास इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए 3.3 हमारा लीड स्विच का इनपुट में और आउटपुट में है। मैंने बताया इनपुट में तो आपको मिलेगा 3.3, ये एलडीओ के साथ प्रेजेंट होगा, ठीक है। इनपुट में एक नंबर पे इनपुट है इधर पे, बट आउटपुट में नहीं मिलेगा। अगर आउटपुट में नहीं मिलेगा तो आप जितने बार भी इधर से ट्रिगर कर लो ये पावर बटन से, आपका मदरबोर्ड स्टार्ट नहीं होने वाला है। ओके, लीड का डेटा चाहिए। लीड अगर नहीं मिलेगा आयो ट्रिगरिंग नहीं करेगा। ये लैपटॉप के लिए ही है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
लीड स्विच का जो रोल है वो कुछ लड़कों ने हमसे पूछा था कि जब भी हम बात करते हैं कि डिम डिस्प्ले की बात तो वो लीड स्विच बोलते हैं, बट डेट कंडीशन में लीड स्विच का नाम भी नहीं लेते वो। तो डेट कंडीशन में लीड स्विच पर वोल्टेज अगर नहीं होगा तो बोर्ड आपका ऑन नहीं होने देगा।
Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Dear PLC students, so you all are in advanced level mode. See, one truth I wanted to tell you people, you not even our students who are watching this video in YouTube, I am releasing in YouTube, so please watch this. Who are watching this video, I request you people, if you have advanced level knowledge, please do it yourself and confirm what I say or what others say it's correct or not. Even what I'm teaching you, that's correct or not, that you have to understand by doing practically, and you have to think in advance, that I mean to say. Okay, so many times I am also wrong. Even basic level what I taught, those things may be wrong, because once you come to the practical level, once you get experience, then you come to know that's true or not. Okay, here also one subject just I wanted to show you here regarding the lead switch. Okay, regarding the lead switch, the main topic is if lead switch 3.3 should be there, lead hash should be 3.3 in IO place. So that is the concept here. In case 3.3 won't be there, board won't trigger on. If you press power button 1000 or 10,000 times also, your motherboard won't trigger on. That's not my what is that statement. So just you watched those people's statement. Okay, so that may be true, I'm not telling it's a false, but the fact is once you try yourself, then you come to know which one is true and which one is false. Is it true in all cases or it's only true in few cases, right? So I hope you understand what I'm going to tell. Lead switch should have 3.3, otherwise board won't trigger on. That is the concept here. Okay, anyway, it's KB9012. I have taken an example. So just I wanted to try practically this is true or not. Okay, I also told you people it should be there. Okay, because lead switch hash should be there, otherwise dim display will get, some other things will get, or board won't turn on. That also I might have tell you. Okay, but practically we will check that statement is true or not. Even mine also. Okay, let us do practical. So here I have motherboard, what is that, 9104. There, here in the lead switch, see what is the number, it's a 115 is the lead switch hash, that is the input, right? Lead switch is the input. Any other lead switch is there? Here EC lead out is there, this is output. Actually input should have 3.3, that is the concept here. Okay, so the lead switch R is coming from this 0 ohms resistor. It means it's connected to motherboard. Lead switch here, see it has come from pin number 39, I mean page number 39. For lead switch debug and test, place close to IO. See IO, near IO it's a 115 pin. Here somewhere this particular resistor will be there. So here lead switch hash, from where it has come, that we will check. So here nearby somewhere it will be there, the input. That input should have, see here, it's a lead switch, 3 volts always. Okay, now for practical reason what I am going to do, I will remove this RE71. See this is the RE71. It means it will disconnect, right? So it will disconnect 10K resistor. Actually, it will disconnect the lead switch. Then it won't come to this point. Won't come to this point, right? So here you won't get pin number 115. There will be no lead switch. It means it's a 0. Lead switch is active mode, right? So let us check in practical. See here, it's a pin number 115 lead switch, right? See here, it's a pin number 97. Here, just a minute. Here is the 97. Here is the mark 100, and here 105, 110, and this is the one 115. This is the one. Just a minute. This is the one 115. So this one is connected to this one. See here, actually I removed the diode. It's a 10K resistor was there. Sorry, not diode. It's a resistor. 10K resistor was there. Here is the 3 volts always supply, and here is the 3 volts lead. Okay, lead supply. In board view also I will show you. See here, here is a crystal part, right? See, I will show you the crystal part. This is the crystal part. Crystal not there, but this one is the crystal part. After this, 2 resistors are there. Here one capacitor not there, and here also one resistor is there. So after these 2, so this is the third one, right? This one is here. It's showing it's a lead switch R. See, after this is the connection. This one in beep mode I will show you. Okay, see, this one is lead switch R. These 2 are connected each other because it's a 0 inbuilt. It's connected. See the beep. Okay, after that, from here, this is 3 volts always. There is no connection, right? So after this, it will connect to here through the 10K resistor. This one is connected here, and here is the jumper internally. So this one is connected to 115. Okay, now I will turn on the board. How it will turn on, that with mobile video I will show you. Here still there is no connection between 115 to that particular resistor, right? See, just a minute. I will focus the IO. Here it is. See here, no resistor here, right? See, it's already removed one. Now I will connect. So let me check what the condition of the lead switch. See the amp 004, and here still it's in open condition only. Okay, there is no connection here. I am going to turn it on. Okay, see the DC. I will turn it on now. Okay, now I am going to turn it on. See the DC on, off, right? It's triggered and off. Again triggered, it's on, it's on. I connected the display. What is showing? See, I connected the display. Display also came. Still there is no connectivity between this lead switch to IO. Then also I am, you see, 471. How it's possible? Guys, just think and comment if you have still doubt. Okay, better you do it practically and you feel the experiment and experience, get experience. Okay, thank you very much.